Hey there, and welcome to my channel. So, don't judge me, but you are balancing on a microphone right now, so don't move. Today is day 7 of Inktober, and I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of gonna give up, but I didn't. I'm still here, but I was gonna give up. I don't know how everyone else is able to keep up with Inktober and posting it daily, but I'm struggling a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. It's just been kind of rough to come up with some ideas and, to also execute them well is also another ordeal, but it's okay. What can you do? I guess this is all part of the challenge. So for today, the prompt is passport, and I have an idea of probably drawing Yumi, and she's probably going to be with a little luggage and with a passport in hand. And if this comes out well, I might make it into a digital version and possibly sell it as a sticker, because why not? That's content. But yeah, no, I do think that's a great idea, and I don't know what else to draw for it, so I guess that's just gonna have to do. Let's get to work.
Alright, so here is my sketchbook, and this was yesterday's prompt, which was Trek. So I decided to draw Spock from Star Trek, and one thing I wanted to show you is that I do not like these pens at all. Look at that, it just doesn't look good at all. But it's the only thing that I have around me, so it's gonna have to do. And excuse me, they're not pens, but pigment liners. They actually worked fine in my planner when I was writing just words, but when it comes to art, I don't really like it because it just looks kind of faded. It's not like a true black, and I guess it's not terrible, but I just wish it was more opaque. But it's okay, it is what it is. As I mentioned in the beginning, I will be drawing Yumi, and I'm not gonna lie, for some reason, I was really into traditional art at first, right? And then when I started learning digital art, I thought it was super hard. But now, going back to traditional art, it just feels really weird. I don't know what it is. I feel like now digital art is just super easy for me compared to traditional art. I just feel like I can't draw, and I'm back to square one. It's really strange. Anyways, here is the final drawing. I think it looks pretty cute. I think if I take it into the iPad, it'll be much better though. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to keep up with my Inktober videos. And as always, I will see you tomorrow. Bye!